Now, you see me? Where I'll be if you want to see some paranoid, you see me? Go up on the road and get some shit sorted out there. So when you see me when they're done. Get you with the thing when we're supposed to go buy. The day I eat good food. Some brown stew chicken and festival. Yeah. Festival them never too hot. And the chicken was alright, man. You know what I mean? But I guess it stopped the hunger. I'm never really 100% hungry. So I don't even know why I'm gonna buy it, but I bought it anyways. And I have company now because, you know, food there. I give them a 2 last festival, you see me? I go fling way backs. When them all drop asleep, I wait for the food. That joke thing. Oh, so you not eat them thing now? When I say rink, like you know I eat them. I just give him peace before and he walk away, you know. Alright, do your thing. The next one over this I enjoy. Can't say me never try to feed you. Here. Nigga, what the fuck is you doing, bro? But I tell you, the festival them never too hot, so you look like the dog got confirmed the same thing. Say, yo, brother, I don't want no more. I eat peace already and they never shot. Anyways, I'm there so I wait. But if you go buy something from my old lady, but she said I must circle back in an hour time. So I wait now for the circle back. That's what that box here. Yeah man, eating food, brother. Go on like eating better than when they have right, so eating boy food. Beggars not a choice out here, so. There, nothing is it.
Barely.
Jeez. Hey,
Your favorite idiot.
any people them that yo brother. Mad thing though. No, I'm mad thing do it.
Oh, what the fuck? Why would you do that?
Just left from the barber shop again. And I probably wonder how the hell I got a barber shop so often. Because I feel I move back and forth. I have this thing tomorrow at Kingston link again. But this time it's just an Vox Pop or not. It's just a little function for the launching of the, I think it's the ABM feature that they have now. I think that's it. But yeah, when we're here tomorrow. Yeah. I don't know what the thing said. We got the extensions now. Yes, I am. Tell Babylon no stress, I am. I probably ask, yo, Kevin, why you dropping extension, brother, dog? Because I can. That's why. And it's really not that important, you know. Still, Kevin too crazy. This time I decided to say, oh, fuck it. I'm going to throw some extensions in there. That's the way I feel sometimes. I feel like I might trim soon. And, you know, at least if you see that length, yeah, I don't know if I'm going to have the patience to wait so long. And plus, I don't know if you see corner here like that. That shit is going bald, man. Next time I trim, I'm here now all again, you know. Here's my life. So I just go and beat this, you know. And also, instead of I got a hairdresser like every 2 weeks on them thing there, I can hold this for a little bit and make my hair grow. You see it? So yeah. That's why I'm having them. And plus I change up the thing. Yo! I turn 30 December gone. And I said to myself, say, yo, fuck it. Anything will make me happy in this life, brother, I do it. Within the confines of law, I do it. So something as trivial as dropping in some extensions in my hair or whatsoever the situation is. I do it, dog. Yeah, I go feel how you feel about it. Some people it's not gonna be nothing. Some people are going,
Shut up your mouth, man.
and then some people just no business, you know. It is what it is, man.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
There, I see him here. There, on the girly side. If you wanna know where to find me. Kinda look kinda flare up and all type of shit. I like it flare up, I feel like I drop some bead on the end. Some of them clear bead they say kinda it stay down. But me do want to still, me do want them thicker, like bigger, so you know look. You have some weight to it, so it stay down and it look. Next time me do it that way there, but this good for now. I know see it when I take off the do-rag and them thing. But the next time I go pull it off, I go for a bigger size. So it have a more sturdy. I don't want to say sturdy because that means it go probably stiff, but it have a better look. Instead of with like them here. They may only look good when not enough. Anyways, on my way home now. Hungry like dog. I don't know why I never end the vlog yesterday, but I just continued today. But they are looks further right now, I'll wait for the Kingston. So see how that goes. Okay, I still want to sleep. I think the little thing where I go, it could probably be like an hour and maybe like an hour. And then I might go link the mechanic. Then come back up here.
Pushing an agenda for greater inclusion across the various socio-economic society, across all societies. I want to thank the minister.
Exciting day. This is a breakthrough into another milestone of financial innovation. And I like to also always say financial inclusion, which is one of the main targets for Link and what we strive to achieve.
They're unveiling the new ABM feature that we can, draw the money from the ABM off of your Link account. So that's what they're unveiling behind us right now. Yeah, see if I can show now how I'm going. This is one if you download Link, you know what I mean. The advancement, the progress that we make, it's rapid and immaculate. Yeah, I'm tired, I don't want to sleep. I promise you, me heard them. I'm wake for looking sleep, you see me. But I'm glad I am here. I'm glad when they come on board with the whole Link thing, you know. I mean, they introduce it to a lot of people. It's been a pleasure working with them so far. I can't wait to see the other things them with them and bring across. You know, some should ask a question a while ago inside. Not much apps offer this where you can access the app without data or internet. We should ask that question. But we never did that work that time. It's still not work now because I'm kind of hungry. I want to sleep. Outside I get warm, so my brain probably start melting. I just get a little Link goodie bag. Not sure what's in there. It looks like a water bottle with what's that? Hold on. Oh, umbrella. Umbrella and something else. On the regular, I got them type of events here, so you know. The little goodie bags are appreciated. So I get boss now, I have umbrella and them thing there, brother. Oh, man, I'm not sure I was inside there. I don't know. See, I like a thing in that box, you know, if it's like a charging port or something. So. But the umbrella might come in handy because it look like it might rain today. Okay, so we're done here now. Obviously. We'll check the mechanic. That is it. And then, bro. But I'm so close, I should have probably just go. No, we need to go. We'll check him. Then book the ticket. Go back on my yard. Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. I'll try to sort out the car ASAP. Because this, walking in the sun, bro, it's not it. We didn't think we did late this morning. Maybe I was just like a little bit late. Maybe like 15 minutes or so. You know, if I was driving, then I would have been on time, you know? Walk in off a tree, link the mechanic, blah, 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 blah. And then do what I'm supposed to do. I get some food in a Popeyes here, brother. I don't know how I'm going. Food I take a while. Well, I'm not even cash yet, so I don't know if, you know, I want to do them something. I bust down the Popeyes, you know. But he never send the number. And the number, I mean, he wants to see on the thing, but no, I don't see the number, he never dash out. I want for me alone eat chicken, so I buy it every piece I eat chicken. So if I eat a 3 piece, I eat all 3 same time. But then the whip ski, you see me? He's all crying, look what we got, brother. Dirty as ever, Jesus crying. Rough, I swear. My next couple weeks. Sort this out, man. Dusty, eh? But these are the piece in the engine where it mash up. The piston. Like it's, if you can see, say crack up on them thing there. And this dent, hold on. This dent up on them sitting there, you see me? So this is how we need to get. And going back on the road again. As I say, I try to sort this out within the next 2 weeks. I'm tired of not being able to move around no more. Move around, you know. And if money to make it, I go slow up the thing. I just can't deal with that. Can't deal with that, brother. You see me? What you know? What you look at antenna them, and then pick up the signal, you know. Look at it, man. This is what a normal one looks like, and then that is a damaged. So you need to get one of this and we're good. So now if we just go online and hunt down the party. Look at my dearest, man. The umbrella coming handy. I test it out there now, rain and fall. Look like them did know. You can predict the future, you know, Rasta. Boom. Out. What the F? Free things. Free things, brother.